Aloha, this is Harry from Kailua again. Let's continue and learn all the minor chords for the standard guitar and the baritone ukulele. So let's go for a close-up. Okay, so here's the minor chords for your baritone ukulele and standard guitar. This is your A minor that you hear in songs like There Is a House. Anyway, if you take this A minor and you move it up and you cover the two open strings, that's A sharp minor, B flat minor. Move it up, that's B minor. So it's the same shape. So songs like If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? Anyway, that's B minor, C minor, C sharp minor, so forth. Okay, that's one shape so far. Okay, now here's a C minor. This is a difficult one at first. I would suggest using your baby finger, then ring finger, because, well, for me, I can't reach it with that. So here's the way it's pictured. Notice on the picture there's two X's. X's means don't play those strings. So this one you play only the inside four strings. And it's a C minor. I don't usually strum this one, but knowing this helped me knowing 11 more ways of playing this shape, more for picking. Because if I move this up, I would have to use all four fingers, because it'd be like this. I slide it up. That's now C sharp minor. But I usually use it for lead guitar playing. So that'd be a D minor and so forth. Okay, but that's a handy shape to know. That's your C minor. Okay, here's your D minor, which you could move up, move it up, hold that one string. It's D sharp minor, E minor, so forth. Okay. Next one, E minor and F minor is the same thing. That's your E minor. If I slide up, cover, that's F minor. And there's your F minor. It's part of the same thing. So on the baritone, you just play those four strings, but with the guitar, with the two extra strings, you can do that. So that's E minor and F minor, same shape. And then there's two ways to do G minor. Here's a way that I do it for kind of like a jazz kind of fingering. My middle finger is actually touching the fifth string, so even if I strum it, it doesn't ring. But I do have a little hole in here to allow the open D to ring. And that's the way, but you can, figure out different ways. But that's a handy G minor to play. And the other one is if you take your G chord, the four finger one, and you take this finger and slide it down. That's the other way to play G minor. So you got two different ways. But they're all handy. If you learn all those shapes, they just move up. So check back, let's get more information.